Welcome back, guys. So now, since you guys have actually learned how to go ahead and enable withdrawals and deposits through Cash App, now I want to show you guys exactly how to deposit money on your Pocket Option account and withdraw money out of your Pocket Option account, right? So really quick, I'm going to share my screen so that way you guys can go ahead and see exactly everything that I'm doing. So first thing first, what you would do, you would go on Cash App, okay? Now let's say whatever amount that you're looking to put inside your Cash App, guys, you always want to put a little bit more. I say about $3 to $4 more inside your Cash App than the desired amount you're looking to put into your account. So for example, let's say I'm looking to put $50 in my account. What I would do, I would click add cash, right? Type in 50 and add 50 bucks to my account, right? To my Cash App. Now, next thing I want to do, I want to click on the investing tab, which is the little squiggly line at the icon, on the little icons that we have at the bottom of your screen. After that, guys, what you want to do, you want to buy Bitcoin, right? So remember I told you guys, you want to buy a little bit more than what you're expecting to put into your account, because Bitcoin charges a fee. So first thing first, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and buy this. So I'm going to buy it for $55, right? So Bitcoin charges me a fee of $1.25. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm. Now, once I hit confirm, I now have my Bitcoin and everything purchased. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go on my Pocket Option account, correct? And now from there, what I want to do, I want to click on the little money sign in this corner, right? Upper right hand corner. I'm going to click on Bitcoin. Guys, once you click on Bitcoin, you want to go ahead and enter the amount that you're looking to deposit in your account. So for my example, it's 50 bucks. So I would type in $50, right? Now guys, I recommend not using the promo code or putting in the promo code whatsoever, or using the bonuses, based off of you won't be able to withdraw your money until you make 3 times more of whatever you just deposited. So let's say I deposited $50 in my account. I will not be able to withdraw any money until I have made over $150. Let's say I put $100 in my account, right? I won't be able to withdraw any money until I have made 3 times of those $100. So that'd be basically $300 if I use the bonuses or the promo code and so forth. So guys, I recommend not to use the promo code. If you guys don't have the funds to go ahead and do so, and you're looking to see this long term, then go ahead, feel free to use the promo code. But me personally, I don't, because I want to be able to withdraw money anytime I want. Right, so next thing, I'm just going to go ahead and I entered my amount. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is click continue, right? Now, after I click continue, this is what's going to pop up. So it's going to give you your BTC number, meaning this is the amount that you need to send on Cash App, so that way you can deposit the money inside of your account. Now, let's say I'm looking, they have an address right here, and I'll copy it for you guys, right? This is the address that you need to send it to as well. So for example, the amount that it told me to send is 0.004692. So that's the number I'm going to enter on Cash App when I go to my Cash App, and I'm going to just copy my address right away. So I'm gonna go to Cash App, and I'm gonna click on the little home button, right? Banking page, and then after that, I'm gonna click on Bitcoin. After that, I'm going to click withdraw Bitcoin. I'm not going to click deposit, because if you click deposit Bitcoin, guys, you're looking for money to go into your Cash App. If you click withdraw Bitcoin, you're looking money to go from inside of your Cash App and out to another source. So we're looking to go ahead and deposit money into our Pocket Option account. So we're going to go ahead and click withdraw Bitcoin. Now we're going to use these numbers that it literally just gave us right here on our screen. So 0.004692. So 0.004692 is what I'm going to enter, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now obviously it already said that I copied the link already, so I'm gonna just go ahead and, or the address, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste that inside of there, right? And I'm just going to double check just to make sure everything, and this was the correct address that I'm sending this to, right? So what I'm going to do, just by double checking, all right, the beginning of the address was 17 FWY. So what I'm going to do is say 17 FWY. All right, cool. This is the right one. I'm going to go ahead and click this, enter in my PIN. Initiated withdrawal done. Now the money have left my Cash App, and now it's going to my Pocket Option. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to withdraw money out of your Pocket Option account. So let's say I click trading and I was on Quick Real Trading, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to click withdraw this time. So you have 3 little bars up there in the left-hand corner of your screen. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, guys, you're going to click on finances. After you click on finances, you're going to go ahead and click withdraw, okay? So now, the minimal balance you're able to go ahead and withdraw is $100 inside of Pocket Option. So what I'm going to do, I still want my payment method to be through Bitcoin. I'm going to go ahead and type in the amount that I want to withdraw, which will be 100, right? And then after that, I need to find my Bitcoin address or find exactly what's the Bitcoin address that I'm trying to send it to. So for example, I'm going to use Cash App. I want it to send to my Cash App. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click deposit Bitcoin this time, okay? And now it's going to give me an address to go ahead and copy. So I copied this address, I paste it inside here, the Bitcoin address where I would like to send it to, because I wanted to send from Pocket Option to my Cash App. I pasted it inside of there. Now, just to double check exactly which one, the address that I'm sending to, say 3DZ7E, right? 3DZ7E. All right, cool. So that's the right address. And I'm just going to click continue. And after I click continue, 5099. Continue. And now it has said my withdrawal has been sent. Okay, so guys, that is how you actually withdraw money and deposit money through Cash App onto your Pocket Option account, so that way you can start trading immediately with Pocket Option and making some real money.